welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha. As you can see, I'm cleaning up my counter. I just finished making an updated recipe of my DIY moisturizer, which you'll see in a moment. But before we get into the video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would so love to hear from you, and let me know if you've tried your own moisturizer and maybe what the recipe is. So I'm going to continue cleaning my kitchen, so keep on watching. I am done cleaning my kitchen. It sure feels nice when the kitchen is cleaned. And I enjoyed making the moisturizer, video for you, and I hope you did too. And I also am really enjoying this new recipe. It's a little thicker, so I really like it. I also added 2 new ingredients from the last time I did my DIY moisturizer. I added jojoba oil, and I also added cocoa butter. I also upped the amount of beeswax, which really left it as a really thicker kind of consistency, which I really like, and it's not as oily on the skin, but it leaves a really nice barrier, and I think that's because of the beeswax. I tried something new. I had a little trial size antiperspirant little package, and so it was done, and so I cleaned it all out, and I added the moisturizer in there, as you can see, and I just like it in this little travel size kind of thing, and I've used it now, and it's super great. I just put a little on my, arms and, neck and body a little bit right after I take a shower, and I like the way this is done. It's not, so I gotta take it out of the thing and rub it on. It's just here, convenient, do all over my arm, maybe work it in a little bit, and it's great. So that's what I really wanted to do when I upped the beeswax amount in it. So I'm really liking that. The only thing I think I'll do differently in the future is I don't think I'll add the cocoa butter. It gives it sort of a different scent that I just don't like. I like my moisturizer and facial products to be without scent. So that's my takeaways from that. But I'm just loving how this feels, and I don't have any crepiness, I don't have any lizard skin, so I'm just really happy. So please do leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you and what kind of moisturizer you've made in the past, it's worked for you, maybe different ingredients, because I'm always interested in finding out new ingredients that work better, because some of these moisturizers on the market right now have this same stuff in it, and it's, I don't have the money to spend $200 on a moisturizer, but I want something that works. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.